Tools needed for this install: a pry bar and a 7mm socket and ratchet. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we'll be installing headlights on a 2008 to 2010 Ford Super Duty. First, we're going to pop the hood. Then we're going to remove the harness for the fog lights right here to make it easier for the uninstallation of the headlight. Then we're going to remove 4 7mm bolts, one here, 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 and down here. So remove the headlight by pulling forward. Bring over your Spyder headlight. This will be plugged in to your low beam and high beam plug. This will plug into your parking lamp. Remove the bulb and match the black with black wire here. Insert that socket, the quarter turn to secure that. The turn signal bulb socket and socket will go into this location here. Also securing it with the quarter turn. Line up your light. Reinstall your hardware. And secure the fog light harness. Now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now that your headlights are installed, we're going to shut the hood and do a functions test.